Okay, so I got the washing machine finally from Lowe's. You can see it in the back of the truck. I've lowered the suspension down as far as it can go. Now it gets interesting. Stay tuned. Now watch this guy tilt it up there with his hand truck. And I thought, what if I do the same thing backwards? What if I'm able to tilt it onto the hand truck and then go from there?
That's an awful long way down, though.
Yeah, but it's just going to tilt. So if I just tilt it, that work? What's that looking surprised? You look surprised. Why do you look surprised? Where are you guys gonna watch this? Where can I sit you up? If I sit you right here, will you behave? I need you guys to sit still now. Quit moving around. You know, weight-wise, it's not that bad. It feels like it's maybe 100 pounds. I thought it was much heavier than that. It's sort of like me. I look heavier than I am. The question is it going to fit in the doorway? Nope, it's not. Well, crap. The box is too big for the doorway.